September 4th, Labor Day weekend. She's gonna be 13 weeks tomorrow. We just got back from shots. She got a chip, and she can't see straight. She's so tired.
And snoring.
Guess what? The song's playing.
Yeah.
Put it up.
It's gonna be alright.
Go put it up, Lily. This is Zena's song. Laying down just from inches where she passed away a couple weeks ago. Well, months. But a few.